Hey guys, this is Sumner with Heretic Studio, and I'm here today to show you how to install the fog lights on this 2022 JT Gladiator. For this install, you'll need one 7/16 wrench, a socket wrench with an extension, an 8mm and 7mm socket, flathead screwdriver, 90-degree pick tool, and a set of crimpers to cut the zip ties. The Jeep JT Gladiator fog light kit will come with two vehicle-specific fog light brackets, two adapter harnesses, and a set of hardware to mount the quattros to the bracket. So the first step to install the fog light kit on this Jeep JL, we'll need to remove the plastic skid plate below and then remove the plastic behind the fog light. Next, using a pick tool, we'll need to remove all of the push-in style clips along the front of the bumper. The next step in removing the fog light is to get these 6 push-in style plastic clips out. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 down at the bottom. Repeat the process on the passenger side of the vehicle. So next, we're going to use a 7mm socket to remove the 4 bolts that hold the fog light into the vehicle. Here are the 4 bolts. Repeat the process on the other side. The next step in this process is to attach the quattro to the fog light bracket using the supplied hardware. Use a 7/16 wrench to tighten the bolt just enough so the quattro can slide back and forth. And repeat the process on the remaining side. Next, install the fog light into the factory housing using the OEM hardware. Next, we're going to adjust the light so it fits in the pocket. Keep in mind there will be a gap around the light. That allows you to adjust the light to the desired angle. Next, install the wire harness adapter. The next step after plugging in the wire harness is to check the functionality. Oh, we have light. With everything installed, it is now time to reinstall all of the factory paneling in reverse order. Keep in mind you'll want to zip tie the wire harnesses away from anything hot, sharp, or moving. Thanks for watching. Check us out on YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram.